Hi, everyone. My name is Tatiana Alvarez Thomas. You can call me Tatiana. I am from Reading, Pennsylvania, which is about an hour and 45 minutes away from Philadelphia. Um, I work currently as a prevention coordinator for Central PA for the Army National Guard Substance Abuse Program. So basically, I'm a case manager and I help soldiers get evaluated for drug and alcohol abuse disorders and help them find treatment facilities. And I manage their case so that their documentation gets to the right place and shared with the right people. And I used to work as a TSS briefly with children up to 14. And my youngest was 8 years old. I also worked for a provider agency of CYS. All of these agencies were located in Reading. I worked there for a little while, and I did some case management as well. Um, Prior to that, I worked in retail, nothing related to social work. So something personal about me is I am a mom. You might hear my son in the background. And we are a unique family. We were dual military. I just got out of the military. My husband is active duty. He lives in Georgia. He's stationed at Fort Benning. And my son and I live up here as I finish school. So that's something unique about me. I'm really excited to start this program. I have wanted to do it for a while, and I had started an LPC program at another school, but I eventually decided, that wasn't really what I wanted to do, and this is what I want to do. So I'm really excited to be here and to start this journey. So thanks, and I can't wait to get to meet every single one of you.